Tips and advice for the stock market beginner. Investing in the stock market is not only for professionals, stockbrokers, or those with finance and business degrees. Anyone armed with the right information can be successful with investments. Watch this video for more tips on how to play the stock market and make the most money possible. Remember that the market is made of all stocks. There will always be some going up and some going down. Winning stocks can bolster your portfolio even during downturns, whereas losing stocks can hold you back in a boom. Choose carefully, and above all else diversify your holdings. Doing this both minimizes your risks and increases your opportunities to gain. When your aim is to build a portfolio that maximizes long-range yields, your best bet is to choose strong stocks from a number of different industries. The market will grow on average, but not all sectors will do well. By having different positions through different sectors, you could capitalize on industries that grow drastically in order to grow your portfolio. On a regular basis, reevaluate your investments so that you can reduce the impact of losses from declining industries and increase your position in the ones which are gaining. Do not turn down free money from your employer by ignoring the availability of matching contributions for your 401k investments. You must invest the amount needed to get the entire company match. Often, this match amounts to 50 cents for each dollar you invest up to a specified cap. A 6% investment on your part nets you 3% from the company. Few alternative investments will ever reach a 50% rate of return. Whether you decide to invest beyond the level of the matching contribution is a separate decision, but don't forego an important component of your compensation by not taking advantage of free money when it is available. Investments with the stock market depend on several factors including past trends, reputation, and purchasing power. Keeping these components in mind and staying informed about the market will help you in the long run. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can start investing in the stock market and be successful at it. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.